Fujian Yongdong 2 Company Limited was established since year 2000. The company is located in JingYang Industrial Zone, Fuqing City, Fujian Province, China. The land covers an area more than 30,000 square meters. There are 200 advanced talents in the related fields. The company has imported advanced machines from Japan, including 20 of cloth heading, several coat forming, CNC automatic punch, and 30 of precise secondary process machines, 2 of laser cutting machines, 1 of experiment machine, 5 assemble packing lines. The product is formed by a whole line of automatic production, coat heading, fine working to heat treatment, automatic punch, electroplating, packing, and so on. Also, the company has completed warehousing and logistics chain that ensure the demand of supply 15 containers shipment every week. Yongdong tools have been continually optimizing and creating step by step, devoting production research and development. After more than 20 years unremitting efforts of our team, make us a modernized perfect management system, unique production technology, and excellent quality. With our professional production of hardware tools, we do tailor-made for customers, OEM, to meet different needs of customers. Our products have been approved by PAS, CE, GS certificate, as well as ISO 9001-2008 Quality System Certificate. Our products has been checked routinely and strictly from raw material to packing. Facing opportunities and challenges, Yongdong peoples pursue change and stability, penetrate the profession to every details, looking for sustainable product breakthroughs to build first-class brand in the world. There are 2 own brands under the company, Everfort and YD Tools. Everfort's brand covers more than 2,000 products in 10 categories, especially the roller hand tool cabinet, 2 trolley set and socket wrench set, won the praise, honor, and favor of the market. This is the company's core product. These products are best-selling over the world, highly recognized by Europe, America, Russia, Japan, Middle East countries, Southeast Asia, and other countries. Everfort's success is not only due to its excellent product quality, but also its competitive price and fast delivery to customers, providing high-quality services, especially constantly creating in product details and packing design. At the same time, we collect and integrate resources, look forward with suppliers and big-end customers to build long-term friendly business relationship based on 2 win. Common development hand in hand. Everfort's goal is become an industry benchmark for business over 100 years, build a well-known national brand both at home and abroad. Everfort keep integrity, profession, creative and progress philosophy of company, and provide effective services to every customer.